is my 1987 Nissan Pulsar, and today we're actually going to be taking a real look at it. I'm not sure about you, but I know that it's a perfect day to have the T-roofs off. It's only like minus 12 degrees Celsius, so why wouldn't they be off? We'll start by looking at some of the cool things that my car can do. I'll show you the first one. The first cool thing is that the hood opens. I bet you weren't expecting that. Okay, fine. I'll show you what you really wanted to see from the front of the car. There. You happy? Another cool thing about my car are those taillights. Look at that awesome 80s design. Something else that's neat about my car is the hatch. I'll open it up and show you. With the seat folded down, it's actually much larger than you'd expect. Since I got the hatch open, I might as well put the T-tops back on. Walked on. I'd say for being an 87 in Canada, it's actually in pretty good shape. There was quite a bit of rust on the rocker panels before, but that's all been fixed now. And other than that, it's pretty good. Before we take the car for a drive and look inside of it, I think you'd really be missing out if you didn't see its immense engine. You gotta promise you don't get too excited once I open this, alright? Okay. If I can even find the latch. This four-cylinder makes a whopping 118 horsepower. I know, it's amazing. And there it is, in all its glory. Now, let's take a look at the inside of the car. The first thing you'll notice is not my hanging Sirius XM thing, but the racing looking seats. Wow, very fancy. This thing honestly broke off right when I went to make the video. I got into the car and hit it off with my knee, so I'll have to print a new one. But don't mind that right now. Like the outside of the car, on the inside, you'll see more things that resemble an MR2, such as your headlight controls that are on these pieces sticking out beside the steering wheel, except on an MR2, I think they're circular. And you got the same thing on the other side. And really, the interior is nothing special. Cloth seats, which are actually pretty nice. I think there's some snow frost on that seat. And it's a 5-speed. You can see I got an aftermarket stereo. It's very cheap because the original one didn't really work right. Now, all we have left to do is go for a ride. So, start it up and go. That's all I got. Now, let's just go back to where we were filming before and end the video. As you saw, this car wasn't very fast, but I think it's pretty cool, and I hope you thought it was cool too. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed.